put the spotlight on Tata Motors because definitely the tariff concerns have weighed heavy on Tata Motors JLR specifically, because we have been flagging off that JLR division has 30% of its revenue coming in from the US markets, and the production that they do to cater to the US market is done in the European market. So with the tariff coming in play, we have the latest comment coming in from JLR where they say that they have announced a pause in the vehicle shipments to the US after that's the reaction to the steep tariff introduced by the Trump administration that's going to impact the numbers. And today we have the note from Morgan Stanley as well, where they're flagging off that this particular announcement will definitely impact the business overall, and if their capex plan continues, then definitely the free cash flow is expected to go into the negative side, because the re-rating for Tata Motors happened because the JLR division was doing very well. It was on the path of its recovery, as well as the India business also supported. But specifically for JLR, this could be a big hit because the free cash flow will now be in the negative side. And what Morgan Stanley is highlighting, that if tariff remains in play and JLR absorbs the entire hit, then there could be a hit of 500 million pounds. And along with that, they're also saying that it can take the stock closer to the bear case scenario of 460 rupees, which actually includes 90 rupees for the JLR division, as well as there is a rest is of India as well as passenger vehicle segment. So for now, they have continued their call and their target price of 853 rupees. But if this persists, if this issue persists, then 416 is what could be in the offering. But it's not just Tata Motors that is under pressure. The whole Tata group of companies are reeling under pressure, be it the case with Tata Elxsi, Trent is another counter, and some of the other stocks have seen a decline. Right on your screen, you will see Tata Motors, one of the biggest fall. Tata Steel is also one of the globally linked companies. Tata Tech, Trent, and Techem are Tata Chemicals are some of the counters that have witnessed a fall of 8% at least. It's what we are seeing is definitely a sell-off amongst the Tata group of companies, and Ankita, Trent is left no behind.
Absolutely, Shrishti. As you mentioned, the other Tata stocks as well taking a knock. In fact, if you look at Tata Steel also, that's taking a severe knock as the entire metal basket is in a lot of pressure on the back of the demand outlook as far as the global demand is concerned. And on the back of that, Tata Steel is down 9% today. In fact, in the last 1 week, it's down almost 17 to 18%. Similarly, other Tata counters are also facing the brunt, and Trent is one of them, and that is on the back of a weak quarter update, and the revenue growth has come in much below the estimates what Motilal Oswal was penciling in. The investors are punishing the stock in an already weak market.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.